Chris Sutherland, want to thank you for the chance to serve you on your beautiful Mopar, man. Enjoy it. God bless. So, on the Durango, I can't tell you nothing. I love it. I'm very much a big fan of her. She is a gorgeous car. She just glowing like a boy. I don't even know what to tell you, but I love her. Ochoa, you be good. We got this beautiful Durango coming out the building, and I'm gonna tell you something right now. It is, I used to love the Trackhawk a lot, but this car, when you sit inside, is so much more comfortable. It's a lot bigger, a lot more roomier than the Trackhawk is, and it just looks sexy. I don't know, John, what do you think about that? Is that sexy or not sexy? I know he thinks it's sexy because he owns it. So now, Chris, tell us a little bit about you. You got this one. You got a 392 also.
Yeah, 392 Durango I drive every day. It's blue. It's pretty.
Beautiful.
Much to it, but this one right here is nice.
Now I got a question for you. You do. Cause he's gonna be the one fixing my tile from the PDR, and I'll show you that. But tell everybody who you are, what you do, how to get. How old are you?
I do paintless dent repair. Mendedent's the name of our company. You can look us up online, Mendedent Texas Incorporated, and we do paintless dent repair, body shop. Been in business for 34 years.
Been a long time. So you do this. He does it pretty well, and because of that, you're able to own this beautiful thing here.
That's what we get for fun. Man,
I'll tell you something right now. She is gorgeous. She is beautiful. Enjoy it, Chris.
Will do. Yes,
enjoy
sir.
her, enjoy her, man. Y'all be good. God bless. I'll end this video telling y'all, man, I don't even know what to tell you. The car speaks for itself. It's just gorgeous.